Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to do pop-up buttons. So I'll just log in now and show you what I mean. Now normally what happens is whenever we click a button on the main sales screen here, that item will just immediately be placed into the transaction. But with a pop-up button, such as this one which I have set up previously, we get this little pop-up window asking us to make a further selection. Now, in this case, I have actually taken it a step further, and I've actually put a pop-up inside a pop-up. So whenever we whenever we choose a color for the shirt, we will be asked for a size selection as well. So this is a really handy way of consolidating several items to a single button. So all of this is controlled from stock control. So I'll just go there now. The first thing that we will have to do is create the base item. So I'll just go add an item now, and I'll use coffee for this example. Now the item that I'm creating now will be the base item. So we won't actually be selling this particular item. This item is only here so that we can create a button for us to click. So I'll save this item now, and then I'll go and immediately place it onto the sales screen. And save that. Okay, so now I'm actually creating the items that I want to be putting inside the pop-up itself. So I'll create a few of these. So flat white, and I'll add two more. And now for the last one. Okay, so now I have the base item, and I also have the items that I want to put inside the pop-up. So in order to actually create the pop-up, first I'll bring up the base item. In our case, it's going to be coffee. And then I'll click the pop-up type button right here. Now here on the left hand side is where we can actually select any other base items that we want to create pop-ups for. So for now I'll just leave this on coffee because this is the item that we want to be creating a pop-up for right now. And here on this side of the screen is where we actually select which items go into the pop-up. So these items are browsable by category or item name. I just find it easiest to go by item name. So I'll just search for my three pop-up items now. The first will be flat white, which is this right here. I'll just go add button. And now for the next one, add button, and there was one more, one black. Now I can actually put up to 18 different items into a single pop-up, so it's quite a few there. So I'll just close this screen now, and I'll go back to the sales screen. So this is the base item here, and from now on, whenever I click this item, I'll be asked to choose a flat white, a mocha, or a long black. Now in my example that I showed you before, there were two layers of pop-ups. So here's the color selection, and there's also a size selection. Now in order to set this up is really simple. I'm just doing the same thing that I did before, except instead of using coffee as the base item, I will be using one of these items as the new base item. So I'll just show you that now as well. So again, I want to go back into stock control and pop-up type. Okay. So now I'm selecting the category in which my item is in. I think it was in this one. And here we go. So here's the first item here, the flat white. Now this flat white item is actually a pop-up item inside the coffee item. But now, whenever I sell a flat white, I want to add in a few more pop-ups into this one. So this will be the pop-up inside the pop-up. So I'll just go back to searching by category here as well. Let's put some extras in there. So I'll add button for Danish apple and a eclair. And I'll save this now. And when I go back to the sales screen, if I try to sell a coffee, it's going to ask me for a type of coffee. And then if I try to sell a flat white, it should ask me which of these I want to add into the sale as well. I hope you found this informative, and thank you for listening.